Good morning, students. Hello and welcome to today's English class. I hope you all are fine. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So, now in our last class, that was yesterday, we started the chapter that is Advia. And we did it almost half, and the remaining half we are going to do in our today's class. That's now we are going to continue with it. Okay. So, as you all know, that it was a chapter about two strangers and a family who visited Afghanistan and there they visited who वहां पे जब वो लोगों ने बाल्क नाम की एक प्लेस पे वीकेंड्स पे they visited and there they found something very weird. That is, they found two strangers, those who were coming towards them, and those strangers had some weird kind of appearance, and along with that जो उनकी language थी it was also not easily understandable. तो उनके लिए थोड़ी सी मुश्किल हो रही थी and they were actually taking them in a view that either they were the dacoit sort of people कि वो जैसे कोई dacoits हो, that is वो डाकू हो, and they were afraid of them. तो जैसे ही वो उनकी तरफ अप्रोच कर रहे थे ना, they were very much scared. And हमने जिस पार्ट पे स्टोरी को कल की क्लास में फिनिश किया था, it was that the girl, that is Pooja, she found one out of those two men was coming towards them, and those were swirling a stick above his head and they were shouting Advia, Advia. And her mother was also very much shocked. Mother भी परेशान हो गई. She just shrieked. And वो जो water flask उनके हाथ में था, it dropped from her lap. And now further we'll continue. Papa, Papa, I shouted and flung myself across my brother in an attempt to leave the car from the opposite side. My brother pushed me back and said harshly, "Get back, Pooja. Stop acting like a fool." Then he was out of the door and calling to my father, "Papa, dacoits, they are coming straight at us. Come back. We have to leave. Start the car, Papa, please. Hurry, please." Now the girl shouted, "Papa, Papa," and she just shouted and she flung herself across her brother in an attempt कि उसको कार छोड़नी है from the opposite side और गाड़ी से बाहर निकला है. But brother just pushed him her back and उसने बहुत ही harshly बोला, "Get back to your place, Pooja." And ऐसे पागलों जैसी हरकत मत करो. Don't act like a fool. And then he was out of the doors and calling to my father. और father को उन्होंने बुलाया, "Papa, dacoits, वो हमारी तरफ आ रहे हैं straight. Come back. We have to leave. हमें जाना है यहाँ से. Start the car, Papa. Please hurry. जल्दी start करो कार." Sudhir banged the door shut and shouted at us, "Shut the door. Wind up the windows glass first. Fast." Now Sudhir जो बच्चा था, he did what? He just banged the door shut और वो हम पे चिल्लाया, that is mother and Pooja पे, that just wind up the window glass fast. I pressed myself back into the seat of the car, paralyzed with fear. I kept staring at the two men advancing towards the car at my side. The taller of the two had already reached the bonnet. His left hand slid over the mantle and touched my mother's window. He shouted something. I just pressed myself back into the seat of the car and I was paralyzed with fear. And मैं just देखती रही. I just kept staring at the two men जो advance हो रहे थे towards the car at my side. उनमें से जो taller one था ना of the two, वो already bonnet तक पहुंच चुका था. Left hand just slid over the metal and touched my mother's window. और mother की side की जो window थी, just touched it. And he shouted something. और उन्होंने कुछ चिल्लाया वहां से, shouted. And what he shouted? "Wind up your window, Ma." I heard my brother shout. "Lock the door, Ma. You must lock the door. Bring your window up, Pooja. Do you hear? Wind up your window." They said, "अपनी window को बंद करो." "Ma," I heard my brother shout. भाई चिल्ला रहा था. "Lock the door, Ma. आप दरवाजे को लॉक करके रखो. Bring your window up, Pooja. Do you hear?" That is, brother was continuously instructing them कि उनको क्या करना है, but वो नहीं कर रहे थे because they were scared at their own level. I did hear him, but his voice seemed to reach me from a distance. सुन तो रहा था, but उसकी voice एक distance से आ रही थी मेरे पास में. I wanted to move up the window, but I was aware of my father who was squeezing himself behind the steering wheel. He was slamming the door shut behind him. Winding up, he shouted. उन्होंने बोला, "कर रहा हूं ना बंद. Lock the doors, lock the doors." Then he turned the ignition key once, twice, and the motor finally started. Automatically, he says that I reached for the handle. मेरा हाथ tremble कर रहा था and I turned it rapidly. And my eyes were fixed on the face of the man. And मैंने notice नहीं किया the glass moving down. as I turned the handle in the wrong direction. The man thrust his hand forward. By the time मेरे को मेरी गलती realize होती and started raising the window glass, glass ने inch up किया slowly, painfully. Then from behind the agitated man, other one emerged. And उसने क्या किया? He threw himself at my door and tried to hit at the window pane with his fist, मुट्ठी से. But वहां क्या हुआ? There was no window pane. Actually उसको लगा window pane है, उसने उस चक्कर में हिट किया, but there was no window pane. और उनका जो हाथ था, he hit me almost मेरे मुंह के close आ गया. Then grabbing my arm, he pushed himself forward and with his bloodshot eyes flashing at me, he roared, Advia, Advia, Advia. Then just grabbing my arm, उसने push किया himself forward and with his bloodshot eyes, जिसने flash किया at me, he roared, उसने roar किया, Advia, Advia. I stared at him, unable to move or speak. All I could do was stare into the dusty, bearded face and listen to the voice that shouted over and over again, Advia, Advia. Now उसने बोला, I stared at him. मैंने उसको देखा. Unable to actually look at him, move or speak. जो मैं कर सकती थी वो क्या था? I just could do stare into the dusty, bearded face and listen. I could have just listened the voice that shouted over and over again, Advia, Advia. लुत्फुन मारा दावा बिटी. उसने मेरे आर्म को शूक किया and reached inside the car with the other hand. Papa, I shrieked. And मैं एकदम से चिल्लाई, Papa. Then I was thrown forward against the back at the front seat and bounced back again. Then I was just thrown forward against the back of the front seat and I just bounced back again. The dacoits were jerked forward. डाकुओं को आगे की तरफ धक्का दे दिया गया. He released my arm but hung onto the window. उसने मेरा हाथ तो छोड़ दिया, but क्या है zombies देखिए ना, बिल्कुल उसकी तरह. He was continuously उसके हाथ से उस विंडो को पकड़ा हुआ था उसने. As the car gathered speed, he fell into a run beside it, still holding on to the window frame with his left hand. कार ने स्पीड पकड़ ली, कार जा रही है, कार के साथ साथ उसको पकड़े हुए, वो कार के साथ साथ they are just running. His dirty face bobbed up and down as he kept on running and shouting Advia, Advia, Advia over and over again. उसका dirty face, it continuously bobbed up, दिखता round and down as he kept on running and shouting. वो भाग रहा था and he was shouting one thing, Advia, Advia, Advia over and over again. And then his hands were gone. His hands, his face and his voice. Our car sped along the unmetalled road, leaving behind a cloud of dust. Now he says, and then उनके जो हाथ थे ना, hands, they were gone. His hands, his face and his voice. Our car sped along the unmetalled road and leaving behind a cloud of dust. और इतनी तेज गाड़ी चलाई उन्होंने that there was a cloud of dust behind. I did not turn to look back. मैं नहीं पलटा देखने के लिए, but सुधीर did. But सुधीर ने देखा. He cried excitedly. वो बहुत ही खुशी से चिल्लाया. We licked them. That is, we defeated them. We shook them off. Wow, पापा हम उनसे escape करके आ गए. हम उन्हें पीछे छोड़ा है. Wow. Then he looked at me disdainfully. और उसने बहुत ही जो manner of showing contempt उसने मेरी तरफ देखा. How dumb can you get, Pooja? And he says, Pooja, तुम कितनी dumb हो सकती हो? Don't you know how to raise a window glass? तुम्हें ये भी नहीं पता window glass को कैसे raise करना है? Stop picking on her, murmured my father. These things do happen in such moments. पापा ने बोला, stop criticizing her, stop treating her unfairly just by criticizing or punishing. Because जो situations में हम थे ना, उस situation में generally these things happen. But dacoits almost got her by the throat, shouted my brother. Brother ने क्या बोला? Brothers का तो काम ही यही है, डांट पड़वाओ. So यहाँ पे भी brother क्या था? Eager to get her scolded by father. So further he says, he did not. I protested weakly. उसने बोला नहीं, मैंने बहुत ही weakly protest किया. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, तुम्हारा वहम है. Well, if he would have time to pull out his knife, उसने बोला, सोचो उसके पास इतना टाइम होता और वो इस टाइम में अगर अपना नाइफ निकाल लेता तो हमारा क्या होता. That is, सुधीर ने 110% अपना मन बना रखा था कि कैसे भी करके उसको आज पूजा को उसके पापा से डांट खिलानी ही खिलानी है. तो he was just finding out the points कि वो कहाँ पे पूजा को गलत प्रूफ कर सके. Now Sudhir please pleaded my mother. Now my mother says, Sudhir please stop the talking and will you please stop that? अब बंद करोगे? Let's thank God that we are all safe. Now let us thank God together कि हम लोग सब safe हैं. Okay, mumbled my brother and shot a last disdainful glance at me. He looked out of the window and then shook his head once more and cried. Okay, mumbled my mother and in a short एक लास्ट डिस्डेनफुल ग्लांस दिया उन्होंने एट मी, मेरी तरफ, और उन्होंने क्या कहा? He looked out of the window, खिड़की से बाहर देखा, then shook his head once more and cried, "We have licked them, Papa. You were great. You got the car started in few seconds, and those seconds had seemed an eternity to me." उसने बोला, "Finally, Papa, we licked them. We defeated them, Papa. You were great at your performance." आपने कार कुछ सेकंड में ही स्टार्ट कर दी, एंड वो जो कुछ सेकंड्स थे ना, they seem an eternity to me. That is, they are eternal for me, and you were really great, and I am so proud of you. These guys, continued my brother, were out to get our watches and mast chain, but we shook them off. We licked them. Sudhir clapped his hand gleefully, but I wasn't pleased at all. उसने बोला, these guys, ये जो आदमी आए थे ना, मेरे ब्रदर ने, सुधीर ने कंटिन्यू की अपनी बात, ये यहाँ पे ना हमारी वॉचेस लेने आए थे, मम्मा की चेन लेने आए थे, बट हमने उनको शुक ऑफ कर दिया, हमने उन्हें डिफीट कर दिया. सुधीर ने बहुत ही हैप्पीली अपने हैंड्स को क्लैप किया, बट पूजा इज सेइंग दैट सुधीर इज सो प्लीज्ड बट आई एम नॉट प्लीज्ड एट ऑल. I was on the verge of crying as I fought, और मैं तो on the verge of, I was just on the verge of crying, रोने ही वाली थी. As I fought, the voice still running through my head, Advia, because I am still fighting with those weird voices. वो जो weird voices थी ना, जिसमें वो क्या बोल रहा था, Advia, and Advia again he was saying, she was so scared of those voices because वो voices अभी भी उसके mind के through run कर रही थी continuously, Advia. Pa, I said finally, after we had our dinner, I would like to look up the word Advia. I wonder what it means. Now the girl says, Pa, finally, after we had our dinner, उसने बोला, Pa, मैं ना एक word देखना है मुझे. I would definitely look up to the word that is Advia. ठीक है, कि मुझे क्या देखना है? एडविया. आई वंडर व्हाट इट मीन्स. मुझे ये वंडर, आई जस्ट वंडर व्हाट इट मीन्स, कि ये क्या है, व्हाट एक्चुअली द वर्ड इज. इट मीन्स हैंड्स अप, स्टेटेड माय ब्रदर, टेकिंग द लास्ट स्पूनफुल ऑफ खीर, और आई विल किल यू. ओके, पा, उन्होंने बोला, आई सेड फाइनली आफ्टर वी हैड आवर डिनर, मुझे वो वर्ड देखना है, एंड दे जस्ट लुक्ड अप टू द वर्ड एंड शी सेज एडविया. आई वंडर व्हाट इट मींस, मुझे देखना है कि इस वर्ड का क्या मतलब है. इट मींस हैंड्स अप, उसने बोला हैंड्स अप. स्टेटेड माय ब्रदर, उसने, मेरे ब्रदर ने कहा, टेकिंग द लास्ट स्पूनफुल ऑफ खीर, और आई विल किल यू. और नाउ ही से स्टेटेड माय ब्रदर टेकिंग द लास्ट स्पूनफुल ऑफ खीर, लास्ट स्पूनफुल जो था खीर खा रहे थे वो लोग, वो खाया, और उसने बोला, और आई विल किल यू. और तो वो पूरी, उसके भाई ने बोला कि क्या होगा, उसका मतलब तो यही होगा, हैंड्स अप, आई विल किल यू, और आई विल डू दिस, और आई विल डू दैट, बस ये, इससे ज्यादा क्या होगा. सुधीर प्लीडेड माई मदर, सुधीर ने बोला, जस्ट प्लीडेड माई मदर, मेरी मम्मी ने बोला, सुधीर प्लीज स्टॉप. My father returned from the bedroom with a thick dictionary. मेरे father जो थे, he returned from the bedroom with a thick dictionary. thick dictionary के साथ में, it did not take him long to find the word. और इस उनको word find करने में ज्यादा समय नहीं लगा, but it took him almost a minute to read it. और उनको almost 1 minute लगा उसको पढ़ने में. His face was pale and his eyes looked troubled as he said in a flat voice, Advia means medicine. उसका चेहरा एकदम घबराया हुआ, पेल फेस था उनका, एंड उनकी आईज बहुत ट्रबल्ड थी, और उन्होंने बहुत ही फ्लैट वॉइस में, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वर्ड्स में बोला, एडविया मीन्स मेडिसिन, कि एडविया का क्या मतलब है, मेडिसिन. फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम नो वन स्पोक, बहुत लंबे समय के nobody spoke anything, कोई कुछ नहीं बोला. Then my mother whispered, फिर मेरी मम्मी ने बोला, oh my god, over and over again. मम्मी क्या बोली, oh my god, over and over again she was saying, because she was really feeling sorry कि जिस वक्त किसी को उनकी हेल्प की जरूरत थी, उन्होंने उनको मिसजज किया, and they were not able to help that person. I stared at her, मैं उन्हें उनकी तरफ देखा, and my brother की तरफ, and did what I had wanted to do all afternoon. And I did, मैंने वही किया what I had wanted to do all afternoon. जो मैं पूरे दिन से चाह रही थी ना करना, that was the thing I did. And what was it? I began to cry. मैं रोने लगी because I was just not getting the moment कि मैं रो पड़ूं, but actually उनका मन भरा पड़ा था. She wanted to cry, and as soon as she realized उसने कितनी बड़ी उनसे गलती हुई है, that the person was in the need of medicine, they were in the need of such a great help. And just because a language barrier or the misleading appearance, deceptive appearance जो था, they were just not able to help that person, or they just denied helping them. That is why this realization, this truth made her begin to cry, and she started crying. So it was really a very awesome and beautiful story by Sigrun Srivastav. Now just go through it. एक बार देखो, इसको पढ़ो. आई होप आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू वेल, एंड आई जस्ट होप कि आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा. यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टूड इट वेल, एंड आई रियली होप दैट यू एंजॉयड द स्टोरी. So now we'll be meeting in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, just take care of yourself and keep studying hard.